Welcome back to Wealth Warriors, where we make investing simple and accessible for everyone. In today's video, we're breaking down the basics of the stock market for beginners. If you're new to investing, the stock market can seem overwhelming. But don't worry, we've got you covered with this easy-to-follow guide. Stocks represent ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you purchase a small piece of that company, known as a share. This means you have a claim on part of the company's assets and earnings. The value of your stock will rise or fall based on the company's performance. The stock market is a platform where investors buy and sell shares. It operates through exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange and Nasdaq. Prices of stocks are determined by supply and demand. When more people want to buy a stock, its price goes up. When more people want to sell, its price goes down. Investors use brokers to buy and sell stocks on these exchanges, either through traditional brokerage firms or online trading platforms. Start by doing your research. Learn about the companies you're interested in and understand their business models. Set clear investment goals. Decide how much you want to invest and what you hope to achieve, whether it's long-term growth or short-term gains. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your money into one stock. Spread your investments across different companies and sectors to manage risk. Understanding the basics of the stock market is the first step to becoming a successful investor. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more investment tips. And for a great platform to start investing, check out Freedom 24 through the link in the description.